Woohoo Wednesday, ladies. I'm so excited about this Wednesday. I've got quite a bit of celebrations, and I think these are some things that you want to hear. I usually try to do this on a conference call to celebrate these women, but I thought that maybe this might be the best way to do it. I'm going to start out with a few welcomes. I know last Wednesday I was at my director's retreat, and it was amazing. And I know it didn't look like we were working, but I got the best training, and I cannot wait to put all the things into place that Martine shared with me. Also, I can't wait to share those things with you, ways to grow our business, ways to get back on track with our business. Ladies 31 is where it is, and there are so many exciting things happening, and I cannot wait to share it with you. The money is there for you to make. I know it surely got me off my dead horse and said I'm going to get back in gear and start working my business the way I know I need to work it. And I want to help you do that too. So I'm going to start off first by welcoming some new team members. Very excited for you. Sherry Campbell, I'm so happy to have you all part of our team. Melinda Ingram and Katie White. Very excited to have all three of you ladies join our Dragonfly group. If you've not signed up on Facebook and you've not part of the group, I encourage you to do that. There's a lot of great information that's going there. Also, while I'm talking about the Facebook group, one of the things that I will probably be doing is making a separate group for our CNC attendees. So we'll have our Dragonfly team, which will just be our team, and then we'll also have a Celebrate and Connect Facebook group that I'm going to be asking maybe one of you women to kind of be in charge of, because I'm just not capable of doing both. So I'll be speaking to some of you. If you're interested in that, let me know. But that way, the women that are in our area that want to be a part of that group, that would be wonderful. So moving right along, I don't know if you've had a chance to look on 31 today yet, but what about the Go Girl Go recruiting incentive? 31 is always, always, always looking for ways to help us with our business, and this time is no different. Get out there, approach the girls that you've been talking to, talk to them again about the incentive that we have going on. Encourage them to sign up right now. You know, the only regret I ever hear from people about 31 is I wish I'd have done it earlier. So talk to them now and let them know that now is the time. Okay, moving on to the exciting stuff. I'm so excited about this. I'm going to show you real quick my Woohoo cup that my friend Lisa gave me for my birthday a few years ago, because I'm so excited for some things that I'm going to be announcing today. We know our fiscal year runs from May to June. So, yeah, that's right. So I took our numbers and I looked at them to see our top in personal volume, our top in team sales, our top in recruiting, our top in number of parties, and I'm going to announce that the top 3 in these categories today. So listen up, because I know that you're going to hear, some of you are going to hear your name and you're going to be very excited. Okay, we're going to start with our organization sales. This is all of us. Our organization sales were $444,429.63. Wow, that's what I did when I got that number. Our top in personal volume, starting with, we're going to top 3, so I'll start with number 3. Alicia Bangston, way to go, Alicia. Your sales are $13,029.57. Cindy Lesky, way to go, Cindy, $15,294.01. And then our top, woohoo, in personal volume for our Dragonflies is Michelle Sutton. Michelle, you work your business, girl. Your sales were $18,799.44. Way to go, Michelle. Okay. Top in Dream Builders. Now, I'm going to say there's going to be quite a few names, because there were 4 women that recruited 3 ladies during that fiscal period. They were Michelle Sutton, 3. Deborah Morgan recruited 3. Crystal Leclerc, 3. Leah Hartman, 3. And our number 1 recruiting Dream Builder with 4 girls is Tiffany Lyford. You go, Tiffany. I'm so excited about your business. Top parties. This is the number of parties that women held. You're going to hear some of the same names. Number 3, Cindy Lasky with 27 parties. Deborah Morgan with 29 parties. And number 1, Michelle Sutton with 34 parties. Way to go. Top in team sales. This is, ladies, you know, they're not a director, but they have a team that they're growing. First, number 3 in team sales was Candy Dugan with $47,402.64. Second place, Michelle Sutton with $65,257.46. And number 1 in team sales for this year is Sherelle Clark with $79,299.19. Ladies, I am so excited for you. Our business is going to be booming, and I cannot wait for this year to see where you go with this business. Get out there, recruit your girls, build your team deep and wide. The ladies that you're hearing your names, your number 1s, you will be receiving some happy mail from me. So just to say that I'm proud of you and to keep working hard. Can't wait to see you guys at conference. There's a lot of you coming. I cannot wait to touch base with you, see how National Conference is going to just boom your business. And if you've not signed up, remember, it's not too late. We still have people that need roommates. So let me know. You can sign up when you get there. If you're really on the fence about whether to go or not, take the plunge and do it. You will not regret it. So have a great 4th of July. I will talk to you again next Wednesday, if not before. And we'll talk to you then.